Vehicle tracking has been in the market for a long time. Today, corporates not just want to track vehicles but also would like to manage them to save cost, time and efforts on the overall fleet. AVL tracking system from AFAQY offers very efficient solution tailored for your business. By using AVL, you can easily track and monitor your vehicles, monitor the directions, evaluate your drivers, monitor the speed, reduce fuel consumption, and get notifications with maintenance services. The system collects data from various sensors and sends those data to our system to manage and control all data. That's why the system is widely used in constructions, education, food and beverage, government, manufacturing, oil and gas, service providers, transportation, trucking and waste management industries. AFAQY will give you limitless and precise control of your vehicles from hundreds of miles away through eliminating unnecessary extra trips and reduce costs, reducing your manpower expenses while boosting your efficiency, improving your customer service by offering them fast and accurate answers to their questions, making wiser decisions by knowing where your team members are at any time, detecting the real-time vehicle status, following each unit or multi-unit on the map, the availability to show how a vehicle moved during indicated period with date and time. We have used the latest trends of tracking technologies in order to provide zero compromise towards safety and security. AVL tracking system allows user to easily monitor the fleet work, know all details about the vehicles by just building report templates, and the system will send all reports automatically to predefined email address in a predefined schedule. Visit our website to check all AVL system features and request your demo now. Get maximum value from your tracking data.